Next generation firewall are the all-in-one firewall. It has all the security features like IPS, antivirus, anti-spam, and reputation filtering in a single box. Today, we will address a major security feature which can prevent us from getting our shell on our target. Now let's assume that we were able to plant our Python reverse shell successfully on our target machine. Now in a traditional firewall, if the access control list or the ACL was allowing the traffic to the outside, then we will get our shell back successfully, right? But if the firewall was doing a reputation filtering, then what's gonna happen is once the client initiate a session back to our Kali machine, once it reach the firewall will do a lookup and check on the destination IP. Then it verify if the destination IP is belong to a malicious site. Keep in mind that this checking is based on an IP pool, which is a list of an IP that the firewall will download from the vendor database. So if this is a Cisco firewall, it will use a Cisco database. If this firewall was a Palo Alto, it will use a Palo Alto pool. This database or an pool contains a large list of an IPs with its reputation rank. So for example, let's say in the IP or in the database we have and the IP of 1.1.1.1 and it has a rank of 10, which means it's totally trusted. Also, we have an IP of 2.2.2.2, which has a low rank of 2. This means that it has been reported as a malicious IP. So let's say that if the attacker IP address was 3.3.3.3, when the initiated session reaches the firewall with the destination IP address of 3.3.3.3, if this IP was not whitelisted and has a low rank in the IP database, then the firewall is gonna drop the traffic and log the session to the administrator. Okay, so let me clear the screen here a little bit. Okay, so the trick or the idea here is to use a server or website like Google Form to submit a text, or maybe to use a SourceForge to upload the files. So let me draw that for you here. So here's the SourceForge. Okay, now the benefits for doing so is first, these two servers or services are very well known and it has a high reputation rank out of 10. So we are expecting to see google.com or Google Forms in the IP pool or in the IP database with a rank of 10. Next, it may never flagged as suspicious to security administrator or to anyone watching the traffic in real time. Okay, that's it for this video and I will see you in the practical part. Thank you very much for watching.